guide you to add effects to your Instagram story. So let's go to Instagram and click on the story. So go to your story and I'm taking from camera roll. Sorry, I have took it from my camera, not camera roll. Now, if you need to add effects, you can find the star options in the top. You can see this if you tap on this. Here you can find various effects. You can tap on various options like this, and you can have, see, I think I like this. So this is how you can add effects to your Instagram story, or otherwise click on the sticker. You can add different stickers, music, and you can even add polls or frames, and you can notify, you can add your templates, you can count down, and different things you can do through. Even you can add music. So the main thing is effects. So click on the star icon, and here you can add whatever the effect that you like. This is how you can add. Thank you.